What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today we got the rear-facing camera on the iPhone 11, shooting a little 4K. Let you guys see how this looks. Very gloomy, rainy day here in Louisiana. Yep, rainy and gloomy. But the footage still looks good on the viewfinder here, man. We'll go ahead and zoom in here on that aerator there. And that looks beautiful, guys. Pan around a little bit. Let you guys see how stable this is. We'll zoom back out and just see how this thing performs as far as a little 4K. So I'm gonna zoom in on those tanks over there. That's 3 times zoom there. Wow, that is very, very clear, guys. Very clear. Hopefully the audio is on point as well. Shot of the sky there. Let me do a little walking. Got water puddle here. See how stable it is as I walk. Now this is the iPhone 11. This is not the Pro or the Pro Max. So get in on this grass a little bit here. That looks super sharp. Come back out, guys. Just beautiful, man. Very beautiful. Zoom again. Come back out. All right, guys. Little 4K footage from the Apple iPhone 11. I'm gonna do some more video samples with this. Wow, look how that looks, guys. Gonna do some more video samples. Gonna find some better spots to do a little video sample, but this is just for now. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.